Today, I will show you how to instantly get text chat on Roblox. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, what we want to do is we want to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to the game that we want to play. Once we load the game, we're going to play the game. And we're going to wait for it to load. Then we're going to click on the trackpad. Once we click on the trackpad, you realize we can move the mouse, and we move the mouse to the left side. Now we have our instant chat. Now, one other thing that I want you to remember is when we type hi, the chat enters. I want you to remember that you need to switch on your automatic translate. So you press the option button, you go to menu, and in menu, you go to settings. Then go to automatically translate chat. You put it on. Now any message that comes through is going to get translated to English, and you're going to understand whatever anybody says. Anyway, that's how you enable instant chat. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.